Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix the issue when the YouTube recap is not showing up in your account. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. Before we start, make sure your YouTube app is updated to the latest version. To do this, open the Play Store, search for YouTube, and tap the Update button. If you don't see the Update option, that means you already have the most recent version installed. Now that your app is up to date, let's begin fixing the issue. Open the settings on your phone and scroll down until you find the Apps section. Tap on it and then use the search bar to look for YouTube. Once you find it, open it and go into the Storage section. Here you'll find two options: Clear Cache and Clear Data. Go ahead and tap both. Start by clearing the cache, then clear the data. This refreshes the app and often brings back missing features like the recap. Next, go back one step and open the Permissions section. Make sure the essential permissions are enabled. Turn on camera, set it to allow only while using the app, and repeat the process with photos and videos, microphone, and notifications. If the recap still does not appear after this, you can also enable the optional permissions at the bottom. Finally, reopen the YouTube app. Tap your profile picture, pull down to refresh, and your YouTube recap should appear again. And that's it. Now you know how to fix the problem when your YouTube recap does not show up.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.